Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop and a treat especial, a little pencil affixed tappy tap tapper, the jeweler's hammer with a price tag of priceless. Best way to reduce world suck is to just go ahead and reduce world suck. I get a little present, a tool, which you can't buy in the stores, from a buddy. It brings a smile to my face, and this thing lasts forever. Look at it, about $1 million worth of copper machined in there. Go ahead and stick your name in, not the doobly-doo, but go ahead and email the CNC townpump at hotmail.com. Make sure you get your Jesus address correct. You don't even want to know how much these cost for shipping out of the frozen shithole of Hoth. Believe you me, the better three carters, the budget troll, is telling me I ought to make some money. Apparently, broken carbide ain't cheap. Thank you for sharing a chortle and a giggle and a snort, a beer in the shop. I muchly appreciate it. I think it's pretty fucking cool. Yes, it will absolutely murderate your lead, crush it into powder. So if you got but the one pencil, do not affix one of these because they do a fair job of whacking.